Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat effect not working. So for this, first of all, if I open the Snapchat application, so let's say these are the effects. So if these effects is not working for you or if there is any problem in these effects, I will show you how to fix this. So first of all, what you have to do is just open the Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar search for Snapchat application, and just make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat application. As you can see, if there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. And after this, if your problem still not fixed, what you can do is just open the Chrome browser, and in the search bar you have to search for Snapchat up to down, and then open this first website. As you can see, up to down. And now you just have to make sure that you do not have to download this latest version. You have to tap on this older version. Now you can download any of the oldest version of Snapchat like this one. Don't download the latest version, and then you can simply download this. Just uninstall the previous Snapchat application and then download this one from here, and then your problem will be fixed. If there is still issue, what you can do is just go to your phone settings and then tap on this app management. Go for this app list, and in the search bar you have to search for Snapchat. Tap on it. So first of all, what you have to do is just tap on this force stop and then go to storage and cache, and just make sure to clear the cache and clear the storage as well. And now after doing all these things, you just have to open the Snapchat application and your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.